Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to make a chart in Google Docs. First, you must know we have 4 different charts in Google Docs. First, bar chart. Second, column chart. Third, line chart. And fourth, pie chart. For example, we want to add a new chart in our document. First step, click on that place you want to add a chart. After that, on the top, click on Insert, and from Chart section, choose that chart you want. For example, we need bar. I click on it, and your chart will be inserted. And now, for edit that chart, one click on it, and from on the top, click on 3-dot icon and click on Open Source. Now we are in the Google Sheet section, and we have the numbers and a preview of that chart. For example, you can change the number, click on that cell and put new number. For example, after I put number in the preview, we see the change. For example, this one, and you see the chart will be changed. After that, this sheet will be automatically update back to your Google Docs. Now, as you see, we have another option, update. Click on update. Now the chart will be update. Again, you want edit, back and open source. Again, you can change the number. Also, if you can move the chart in your document, click on it and click on in front of text, and from this section choose fix position on page. Now you can easily change your chart in your document every place you want. For another type of chart, you can do the same steps. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.